These flakes are huge. Hey, stop that. You're gonna be covered in snow by the time you come in, puppy. March 10th, 2017. Roads are not too bad, main roads anyway in State College, because not a lot of snow accumulated on them and the roads were above freezing yesterday. Side roads are pretty snowy, pretty thick, but not too bad for the most part, at least in town. Snow's definitely sticking to everything else though, I'll tell you that. Power lines, trees. Some of these trees were starting to come out to bud too after that recent warm spell we had, but here we are at AccuWeather.